Hello and welcome back to the YouTube channel of B for Biker. Please subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss out any updates on bikes and adventure. Without any further ado, let's proceed to the video. Ducati India has finally launched the much anticipated Hypermotard 950. The bike was first showcased at the EICMA 2018 show where all the specs, style and other updates were briefly highlighted. The 2019 Hypermotard 950 is a possible replacement of the 939 that's presently on sale in India. It comes with a number of additions over the previous offering, which includes more power, torque together with updated electronics. Let's dive together into the specification. The Hypermotard 950 continues to be powered by the same 937cc L-twin liquid-cooled motor. Compared to the older engine, the new unit makes 4 PS and 1 Nm more. It churns out 114.2 PS of maximum power and 96 Nm of peak torque. The engine comes mated to a 6-speed gearbox that's assisted by a slipper clutch. The bike gets a 3-level Bosch cornering ABS traction control along with 3 riding modes and a wheelie control. Talking about suspension, motorcycle employs a 45mm lightweight front fork and a rear monoshock, both absolutely adjustable. Moving on with the brakes, it includes twin 320mm front disc and a 245mm rear disc. While the style remains more or less the same, the front tall mudguard is now sharper, also paired with bolt-style headlamp with LED DRLs. The 950 gets a 4.3-inch TFT instrument cluster, wider handlebar, slimmer side and a brand new comfortable seat. Hypermotard 950 is 4 kg lighter compared to the outgoing Hypermotard 939. Expect Ducati to price the motorcycle at a better premium over the Hypermotard 939. Ducati Hypermotard 950 will lock horns with the Aprilia Dorsoduro 900 in India. Ducati will also be bringing in the sportier variant, which is the Hypermotard 950 SP, but it will only be available on a made-to-order basis. This concept does look promising to the Indian market. What do you think? Tell us in the comments section. With that said, thank you for watching. If you really enjoyed it, please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe if you haven't already. Want to know anything about bikes and stuff? Leave down your queries in the comments section. We will be more than happy to help you.